guys, this is your Nitin Moto Movies. Welcome to my channel and we are back with another boom video. So in this today's video I'm having this Hero Impulse 150 with me, which belongs to my very close friend Ashwin, and I'm thankful to him that he has given me this beauty of machine for a video. And man, this 150cc bike is a damn powerful. You see how I'm pulling this bike? It's a fantastic. And before we get to this video, and please do have some closer look at this bike. So I've shot some B-rolls. Please have a look at it. And yes guys, I hope you love the B-rolls. And man, I'm falling in love with this bike, man. It's just 150cc and it's damn powerful. And one thing I hate about this bike is this thing. When we brake, it's take a bump like this. I know it's a long travel suspension, but whenever we hit the front brake, it takes a bump. And that's the only one problem. And my friend had done lot of modifications on this motorcycle. As you can see, he has changed the handlebar. I know it's a bit rusted cause due to the weather change it got rusted being at a local handlebar, but it's very useful. And you can see he had kept a pro taper on it and the quick throttle, and he kept a KTM Duke 200 rear view mirrors, which are pretty decent, I can say. And this bike, man, look at the pull. Crazy, man, crazy. Okay, let's do some off-road right now. Let's take a right turn. And guys, I recommend please do wear a full gear. I went to his place, and this video is not planned, but I just had a helmet that time. But please, you guys wear a riding gear and see this. Right now, I'm doing around 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. I know it's not recommended on these roads, but I think I know I can handle this bike at this speed, so I'm doing that speed. And yeah, woo! And for off-roading, many people spend lakhs and lakhs on rupees on buying Triumph Tigers, BMWs. I'm not saying those bikes are bad, but see, those bikes are good, but I would not recommend those bikes for off-roading and trails, because you're taking up, it's a very heavy bike, and if you go on a trails and in case of a fall, the bike will fall on your leg and your leg might be fractured, and even the bike maybe get damaged, and for the repair of the bike it may be charged in thousands of rupees, maybe in lakhs also. The bike like this Impulse 150, even this bike gets divided into two pieces. We can fix it in very lesser amount, and it's really crazy this bike is. And my friend Ashwin is really lucky that he had purchased this bike, and excellent this bike is. So he's very lucky. He got this vehicle at very good price. And okay, we have come a bit far. I think it's time to take a U-turn. Yes, let's turn the bike. Hey, that was crazy. Within a very short distance, I turned the bike beside. Woo. Man, this bike is really recommended. I think this bike was launched back in 2011 in the month of October. During that time, the people did not know the value of this bike because being it a dirt bike, people did not know this bike much, and very, very, very few people have been purchased it right now. And right now in the market, we are having the next model of this bike, which is known as Hero Impulse 200 and 200T is launched, but it's pricing at the price levels of rupees 1,15,000 to 1,20,000. I can say it's a pretty decent bike. And but compared to this bike is good. But as this bike is discontinued, so we cannot get it in the showrooms, and only in the second-handed bike we can get it. And this bike is really a gem in off-roading. And my friend Ashwin is going on off-rail motocross trails also. So in future you will be seeing me doing off-roading trails on this bike in the upcoming videos. And yeah. Oh. See, I'm going on a very bumpy road, and still I can't feel, and it's very comfortable. And due to the long travel suspension which my friend did and the handlebar, all the modifications, the seating posture is very damn comfortable, I can say. And see, I'm saddling right now. Oh, let's go on to this dirt. Yeah. Once more. No, not this time. Whew. Seriously, man, I'm driving this bike not like a bike. I'm driving a JCB, a huge JCB. Ooh. And guys, please do wear a riding gear. Like, I'm wearing a normal jacket and a helmet. That's it, guys. I recommend you to wear a full set of riding gear. Like, this video was not planned. It was an unfortunate situation. Like, the bike was available. My cameras were there. So I had to take the bike and leave. So from next time I promise you that I'll be in the full gear. And yeah, look at the pull. Yes. Woo. Oh no, there's no horn, there's no indicators, cause you can see like it's placed on the middle of the handlebar, because it's being a motocross bike. There are some changes in the bike. There's no horn, like there is horn, but the switch is placed in the between, as you can see. And yeah, and we are back to the monkey wrench. Ooh, where is it? Yes. Okay, let's take the bike in. Let's jump in. Hey, let's jump. Ooh, yes. Slammed the brakes. And we are back. So hope you like this video, and see you soon in the other videos, guys.